we will start with exercise 13.4. Now this entire exercise is related to sphere. So sphere, radius of the sphere, if we take as r, then the volume of the sphere will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the formula for volume. And surface area will be 4 pi r square. Now for sphere, total surface area and curved surface area is one and the same thing because sphere does not have any flat surfaces. Now hemisphere is only this much portion, half of it. So for the hemisphere, volume will become 2 by 3 pi r cube, half of this, and total surface area will be 2 pi r square plus pi r square, that is equal to 3 pi r square, and CSA will be half of this, that is 2 pi r square. So when we talk about the hemisphere, it is like this. So suppose you are finding only the curved part, then this is 2 pi r square. And if you are talking about the total surface area, then 2 pi r square plus this flat surface, that is pi r square. So it becomes 3 pi r square for the hemisphere. So exercise 13.4, the first question is, it's a direct question. Find the surface area of sphere of radius. Now 3 radii are given to you. These are 3 different spheres. One of radius 10.5 centimeter, then 5.6 centimeter, the second one, and third one 14 centimeter. So all 3 surface areas we will find out just by directly putting in the formula. So surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. In that, 4 into 22 by 7, you have to take pi 22 by 7, it's written here. Then r square, that is 10.5 into 10.5, and then you can evaluate the surface area. So this one also will be done similarly. In place of r, you will substitute 5.6 the whole square, and in the third one 14 centimeter. So when radius is 5.6 centimeter, the surface area of the sphere will be 394.24 centimeter square, and when radius is 14, then it will be 2464 centimeter square. This will be the surface areas. So in the second question, find the surface area of a sphere of diameter 14, 21 and 3.5. So if these are the diameters, radius will be half of this. So radius will be, in the first case, 7 centimeter. Then you can directly substitute in the formula 4 pi r square, and you will get the answer as 616 centimeter square. Then for the second one, 21 is the diameter, so radius will be 10.5. So this one you have already evaluated in the previous question also. And third one is diameter 3.5, so radius will be 1.75, and then you can evaluate the surface area, that is 38.5 centimeter square. Find the total surface area of a hemisphere of radius 10 centimeter. So hemisphere, already I have given you the formula. So this is how the hemisphere looks like. So total surface area means you have to include this flat surface also. So it will be 2 pi r square plus pi r square, that is 3 pi r square. This is the total surface area of hemisphere. So radius is given 10 centimeter. You can just, and pi value you have to take 3.14. So substituting in the formula, we will get 3 into 3.14 into 10 into 10. So that is 942 centimeter square. This will be the answer. The radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter as air is being pumped into it. find the ratio of the surface areas of the balloon in two cases. So here you have to find ratio of the surface areas, which means initial surface area divided by the surface area after the air was pumped into the balloon. So this is what you have to find out. The required ratio will be initial surface area divided by surface area after pumping air into the balloon. So initial radius is 7 centimeter, and after the air was pumped inside the balloon, it became 14 centimeter. So this will be 4 pi r1 square, and this will be 4 pi r2 square. So 4 pi, and here 4 pi will get cancelled. So you will get r1 by r2 the whole square. Now r1 is 7, r2 is 14. So 7 by 14 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 the whole square, that is 1 by 4. So the required ratio will be 1:4. A hemispherical bowl made of brass has inner diameter 10.5 centimeter. Find the cost of tin plating it on the inside at the rate of rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. So we need to find only that surface where this tin plating has been done. So it has been done only on the inside. So you need to find the inner. See, it is like this. When the inner and outer radius is given or inner and outer diameter is given, it means that the required solid has got a certain thickness. So let's assume this is the thickness. That is why they have given inner and outer. Now we need to find only for this inner surface what is the cost of tin plating it. So inner surface area, for that we will take the inner radius. So here inner diameter is given as 10.5. So inner radius will be half of this, that is 5.25 will be the inner radius. So the inner surface area, since it is a hemisphere, it will be 2 pi r square. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 5.25 the whole square. So this is the required surface area that has been tin plated. Now for 100 centimeter square the cost is rupees 16. So find first for 1 centimeter. For 1 centimeter square it will be 16 by 100. So for 173.25 it will be 16 by 100 into 173.25. Then you will evaluate this. So the answer is rupees 27.72. This is the answer.